Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? We are going to do another skincare demo and review, and this is the one that everybody's been talking about on Instagram, like a zombie mask, old lady mask, scary facial mask. Can you guess what it is? Ta-da! It's a Hana cure from Seoul, Korea. It's all-in-one facial, and I think I'm a couple months behind, but hey, it's never too late to try something, right? So I can't wait to show you this on my face and let you know how I like it, my feedback, and my recommendation. So let's get started. I ordered the single-use component, and this is $29 in one box. I have to tell you that the first impression of the boxing, it's really good quality box, and you guys know me all about packaging, right? So when you open the packaging, it comes with instructions and this little pack of the emulsion. I think this they're going to use this after you do the mask. Instruction is very detailed, and again, I am blown away the quality of the paper they use. I know everybody review about the masking, and I'm review about the paper, I swear. Something wrong with me, seriously. But look at the quality. And you know, I think it's important that when a company puts so much effort on the detail, that means they had to put effort on the ingredient as well too. That's just how I feel, you know. The actual component has a gelling solution here, and then a serum, and it comes with a brush, which is really great. I can reuse this for future use. So let's mix this together and show you step by step. Okay, the instructions that you want to open the serum first. So let me just see, can I open this? Oh, it's actually pretty easy to open. I'm going to put this down here. Now we're going to open the gel solution. There, when you guys do it, I will recommend you follow instructions. It's very important because there must be a reason why they give you instructions. So follow the instructions. So you're supposed to open to this little lines right here. Let me get closer to show you guys. Oh. Okay, do you see the little line right over here? That's where you open the package to, this area. So we're gonna open this. Oops, it's already coming out. Okay, gotta hold this tight. Okay, good. And now we're gonna put the serum inside the packet. Let me show you guys. What happened just now? It's hard to do this though. Okay. Okay. I did good. And now we want to close this and really give a good shake for about 20 seconds, like that. Oh, it's moving. I can feel that. So, be honest with you guys, before I did this video, I already went online to look at other blogger, how they're feeling, because I'm kind of scared too, because trying something that make your skin look scary before it looks better. So it's like always like, oh, I want to make sure it's working for me. So I'm going to shake it for 20 seconds. Is 20 seconds yet? Hey, comment below comment below that if you tried this mask already, and let me know how you like it. I always love to hear your feedback, and any comments are great. You know, either you hate it, you like it, what you don't like about, what you love about it. Let us know. I think we all want to learn from each other's. So I'm gonna hold maybe 10 more seconds. Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. And the thing is, after you shake 20 seconds or longer, you want to apply this on the skin for 30 minutes. I think that's the challenge part. 30 minutes. So we'll see. Okay, 20 seconds. Let's open this now. Aha, it works. Let me just open all the way to show you guys. Let me get closer. Hold on. Let me just do it this way, it's better. Okay, do you guys see that? That's what the gel is supposed to look like. It has a little bubble inside. Okay, so I'm gonna move closer to you now so I can see myself in the reflections and do this. Okay, my face is very clean. Just washing my face, there's nothing on my skin. So we're gonna start under my eye. you want to be careful. Don't put this too close to the eye area. So far the synthetic brush feels really good. Goes on very smooth. I'm actually very excited about this brush because I have so many masks, and now I can use this brush to apply. It's designed really nicely to hold too, so it's a good design. Put on my forehead. Every blogger, there's one comment is there's a lot of solution in there. I gotta tell you, there's still a lot in here. So I like that. Don't you hate sometimes you buy a mask and then like halfway through, there's no more. So I think this is really good. I put more right here. So the purpose of the mask is help you to brightening, tightening the pores, lifting the skin, contour your facial. It's all in one. So that's what this famous for now. The review on the blogger is a very mixed. Some bloggers say they see a huge difference. Some say they see no difference. So we'll see. Oh, not too close to my lips. Put on my nose area. So we're gonna do it before and after on my hand, okay? So this is my hand, my eyebrows right here. Okay, so we're gonna apply this on my hand now. That is so smart. So I can show you guys. I'm gonna apply where the lines on my wrist area. Okay, so we check back in 30 minutes and see what happened, okay? So we are in about 3 minutes in. You can definitely feel the mask is getting tighter on my skin. It does feel a little bit uncomfortable, and I know a lot of YouTube bloggers, when they film this part, they start talking a lot. I will recommend you not to move your face too much, because there's a reason why they're tightening the skin, so they can firm the skin within. So if you talk too much, move too much, then you're gonna break that system. So try not to talk too much. Okay, so we're about 10 minutes in now. You can see. I know I look very upset, but I'm not. It's the way they pull my skin. So I'm not trying to talk too much. Oh my god, this is what I'm gonna look like when I get old. I can't even move my eyes. Oh my gosh. I'll get close to show you guys this. So there's where the dryness, where I apply the mask. Okay, couple more minutes to go. 30 minutes is a long time. And this is my hand. Okay, it's 30 minutes now. Oh my god. The whole thing's so tight. My eyes is hurting because I put a little too close right here, so I gotta be careful. So I'm gonna go rinse it off. This is my hand. And I'll be back and see the results. Finger crossed. Wow, so my face looks really great, I think. I don't see a lot of redness on my skin. My skin feels very tight still, but overall the color, there's a glow to it. It really tightening up my skin a little bit. I mean, you can see the jawline a little bit more now. So I think I'm gonna buy more of this mask. It really worked. Leave the comment below if you tried this mask before. I'd love to hear your feedback. I want to show you my hands, okay? So look at the knuckle area. This is the hand with the treatment. So I want to say thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope that you had a great time with me. And if you like the video, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow all my social media right over here. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!